I'm sexy and I know it.
What's up, riders? Okay, today we're just gonna have a short video today. Today we are trying to teach Dustin how to pick a lock. Show me the lock. We're trying to teach him how to pick a lock. I have unlocked this one. I've unlocked this one that he's working on now. And I've unlocked this one. This one right here. Yep. Unlocked all three of them. Now we're going to see how long it takes for Dustin to figure out all three of them. Okay? So let's sit there, put that there, have fun with that.
Yeah, man. How do you do this?
Okay, now I'm going to show you viewers what I did. Or how I did it. So let me take this one. Pick a lock, a lock picker, and this paper clip. Let's go. You can stay here. Okay, I'll be back down here in a second. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but hang on, let me go somewhere else. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but what I'm doing is I actually have a key in my pocket. Okay, I actually have a key in my pocket. Okay, let me sit down here. Okay, I actually have a key in my pocket, which is hang on. Oh, wrong one. I have this one right here. Okay, I have this key. What I've done is it sticks in. Okay, what I do is I go ahead and I unlock it right here. I go ahead, pop it out just a little bit. Boom, just like that. Looks like it's not even been touched. Okay, so I put the key back in my pocket. Okay, and then I go out there and I show them that I can do it. Okay, okay. Now, let me stick it in, make it look like I'm actually working on it. Okay, now we're about to go back out there. Okay, okay. There. Ooh, I really did it. I did it so well. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay. Okay, now that you guys know how to do it, we're gonna actually show Dustin real quick. Watch this.
That one I already know.
You ready, Dustin?
That one I
ready?
know.
Pop. Boom.
I already did that one.
Done. That's how I do the same thing with this lock that I do to every one of them.
This one we already tried to figure out. This one's stuck for some reason.
No, I've done it. Already done it.
You try it. It's already stuck.
Okay, I'll go show them how to do this one too. Go, let's go.
That one's stuck.
Let's go to the other one. Okay. Okay, you already know the drill. Okay. I got the same key. I got another key. Okay. We're gonna blow his mind. Wrong one. This is great. Okay, ready? Down, turn, pop it out just a little bit. Put the key back in my pocket. Okay. Okay. Now I hold it there. Make sure it stays in. And I pop this in. Okay. Pop that in. Okay. Ready? Let's go show them. Okay, now that you know how to do that, let's blow Dustin's mind.
Okay, is that one?
Ready? Set. Boom.
Okay, it's not stuck.
See? Booyah, kapooyah.
He was trying to figure it out.
Dude, I am blowing this kid's mind. He doesn't even know. Can you figure that one out?
Wait.
Nope. Oh, you didn't get it. Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
I like this one better.
You like that one? Because that's the only one you can do? Stupid.
I can do this. This one. Fine.
Cash, how's he doing over here? How's he doing?
You're doing great. You're closer to it, buddy.
You're real close, buddy. You're almost there.
I'm not almost there.
Look at him. Poor baby trying to learn. Okay. Guys, think we should show him? Think we should tell him? Comment down below right now. I'll give you 10 seconds like I did yesterday. I'll comment right now. I'll give you 10 seconds. Go. Okay, did you answer? Did you say yes or no? If you did, great. Okay? We're going to show Dustin, okay? Let's get his reaction to this. Dusty.
What?
Okay. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Okay? Hang on, let me close this one back up. Yeah. Okay, boom, it's back in. Okay, so, let me show you the hardest one first.
That was the hardest one.
Okay, all the keys are right there, okay? And this is locked, right? It's locked. It doesn't pull, okay? This is what I did, Dusty. Had another key.
Oh,
Hey, sorry for that little clip. He cussed. I had to edit it out. He cussed. And we don't cuss in my videos. Okay, so I guess we're going to end it now. I had all 3 keys in my pocket. You already know. And he knows now, too. So, thank you for watching. This is clickbait. So, I'm going to see how many views we get. How to unlock a gun lock. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like. Please subscribe. Please go to my other channels that you've seen in my other videos. Thank you for watching. Thor Rider out.